Myth number 2, you must recollect consent from existing customers. Unfortunately, the short and quick answer for this is, it depends. If you're using consent as your lawful basis for your purpose, and you're able to demonstrate that the consent is GDPR compliant by having a clear purpose, affirmative action, and by it being withdrawable, then you're fine. Then you do not need to collect consent. However, if consent is not GDPR compliant, then you do not have a consent. So if you think the consent is your lawful basis, then you need to collect a new consent. But maybe consider looking at video number 1 again and find another alternative for your purpose which suits your business better.